Yesterday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Leh and he clearly gave a message to China that we will protect our territory, and he also met the injured soldiers over there in the hospital. And since then we have seen how the Congress party and the opposition parties have been attacking the government, and now we see a tweet from Abhishek Dutt, who is a Congress leader from Delhi. He has said that the place where Prime Minister visited, it doesn't look like an hospital because there are no drips over there, no doctors, but photographers all over the place. To talk to us more on that, we have the General Secretary from Communist Party of India, D. Raja, with us. Sir, thank you for speaking with us. Sir, now Prime Minister yesterday went to Leh. He also met the injured soldiers in the hospital over there. But since then, we have seen that how Congress Party is reacting to it. Now, Abhishek, the Congress leader, has called it a PR exercise, said that the place was not looking like a hospital. It was a place where there were no drips, no doctors, but photographers all over the place. How do you see this, sir?
Our party thinks the Prime Minister's visit itself indicates the situation is very serious and the standoff continues. Tension remains on the borders. That is why Prime Minister himself went to Ladakh and spoke to Jawans and he addressed them. But my point is, what Congress leaders are speaking, it is for Congress leadership to explain why Congress leaders are speaking like that. My point is, how to find solution to the standoff. Because Prime Minister addressed, it is all right. But what next? What is the solution? At one level, government admits there are negotiations going on. At military level, negotiations are going on. At diplomatic level, negotiations are going on. In the all-party meeting also, my party said negotiations should be intensified at the highest possible level and the standoff should be brought to an end as early as possible. And this standoff cannot continue like this. It should be ended, and peace and tranquility must remain on the borders. And Prime Minister yesterday said that all are together in defense and service of Mother India. That message should go to BJP and RSS. And in India, in a democracy as we have, everybody, anybody can ask certain questions from the government, can ask the question, government to clarify certain things. Instead of responding with the responsibility, why BJP, RSS combined should target opposition or leaders of opposition and question them?
But as you clearly said, the opposition has right to ask questions from the government. But then what Abhishek Dutt has tweeted, he clearly says that that was not looking like a hospital. But then there were photographers all around. How do you see this?
Don't ask.
You can.
I do not know who that Congress spokesperson, how far he represents Congress.
Okay,
it is for Congress leadership.
Okay,
Go and ask Congress leadership.
Sure,
my point is, as CPI, as left, we are saying the stand-up should not continue like this, and there must be some solution, and both sides should negotiate and agree to maintain the status quo ante, which was in the month of
And politics
April.
should not happen on this issue.
No, politics, nobody should do politics.
Yeah.
BJP should not do politics. RSS should not do politics. The BJP minister should not
And
do
Congress,
politics.
Congress.
No, all. I mean all.
Exactly.
Because Congress you are referring all the time. What about the ministers? If somebody questions the government, they call them as anti-national. Why this politics? After all, we are a nation. We all stand behind our defense forces, and we all stand for sovereignty and territorial integrity of our country, and we are a democracy. And questioning the government cannot be dubbed as anti-national. And nobody should question the government. That is what they also should realize. And if Prime Minister says all stand together in service, in defense of Mother India, And BJP RSS should take note what Prime Minister has said. Why they want to divide the people.
So that was General Secretary of the Communist Party of India, D. Raja, speaking to us with camera person Satyendra Jamohan, but reporting from Delhi for Times Now.